Good morning guys, in front of me is Vivo Y95 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first open the settings, then find and select lock screen, home screen and wallpaper and mark wallpaper. Here you need to select the photo that you want to cover your screen with. You can pick download more to search for more wallpapers, or pick something from default wallpapers, for example this one, then mark apply and decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen or both of them. And from now on this brand new wallpaper is covering both home and lock screen. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.